Hi there, I'm Josh from Webbers Estate Agents of Bideford. Now welcome to number 4 Eastbourne Terrace. This beautiful 4 double bedroom terrace home is located just a stone's throw from Westward Ho village, local amenities, but also the Pebble Ridge and beachfront. So it's got an excellent location and it offers some amazing accommodation and flexibility throughout, with including the open plan ground floor here, with characters such as the exposed wooden floorboards, fireplace, but also lovely skylight in the kitchen breakfast room. But this is definitely one that is keen to come and see, and this will be coming to the market for a guide price of $550,000. So contact our team on 01237 472 344.